Watch how I hack Apple Drain's video. Apple Drain will save you so much money. I am like a cockroach. Only I am more annoying.
Water pools up and puddles. When it rains really hard, it's not allowing the water into the system fast enough. We put some atrium grates on here because...
Wait. Stop the show. I'm Sideshow Bob. Only I can build a French drain. You are doing it wrong. Hey, don't push me out of here. I'm Sideshow Bob. Only I can do a French drain.
A good investment.
So Bob, don't use a catch basin like Apple Drain says. It saves you so much money. Only my way works. Only I can build a French drain. Do not listen to Apple Drains. He will save you money. Last year I did 8 jobs. Apple Drains did 300 jobs. I tried to discredit all the contractors. No one does it right but me. My pipe is so good, it has psychedelic colors, and I cannot sell. Too many drugs. It never backs up, it never gets clogged. You are all doing it wrong. Only my way is the right way.